Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm a dermatologist and welcome to my channel. I'm a dermatologist and founder of a skincare company. And today we are talking about how to get glowing skin this summer. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So first and foremost, what does glowing skin mean? Well, in medicine we talk about how healthy is your skin. So when somebody has glowing skin, it means they have great skin, whether it be inside or outside. So to me, glowing skin is having a great, even tone, bright complexion, bright, even skin that looks healthy. And there are ways to achieve that. So number 1 is sun protection. That's right. You need to wear sunscreen every single day, rain or shine. You can't achieve glowing skin if you don't protect your skin from the sun. There's no such thing as a base tan. And even if you have an olive or darker skin tone, you still need to wear sunscreen because you can still get sun damage and you can still get skin cancer. So there's no exception. Everyone should be wearing sunscreen. Number 2 is staying hydrated. The skin is the largest organ in our body and it needs to be hydrated just like the rest of our organs. So drink plenty of water throughout the day. I recommend at least 2-3 liters of water a day. And if you don't like drinking water, infuse it with some flavor. You can do some lemon balm, you can do mint. You can make it into a tea and infuse some of those flavors into the water to make it more enjoyable. But you definitely want to stay hydrated for glowing skin. Number 3 is getting enough sleep. We all know that when we are sleep deprived, we look it in our skin. So make sure you get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to maintain a regular circadian rhythm. And this will help you not only with your skin but your overall health. Number 4 is using the right skincare products. So there are certain ingredients that I recommend using in your skincare routine that will help with hyperpigmentation, with dullness, and with uneven skin texture. So one ingredient to look for is vitamin C. Vitamin C is great for brightening the skin and for giving you an even tone. You can use a vitamin C serum in the morning. It's very stable. Ours is at pH 7. So it's very stable and it will help you get that glow. Another great ingredient to use is niacinamide. Niacinamide is great for repairing the skin barrier, strengthening the skin barrier and helping with uneven skin texture and fine lines. I would recommend a niacinamide serum once or twice a week. And then lastly, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is great for keeping the skin hydrated and plump. So if you have dehydrated skin, using a hyaluronic acid serum can really help improve that. I recommend using it once or twice a day, especially if you live in a dry, cold climate. And number 5 is facial massage. So massaging your face not only feels great, but it also helps with lymphatic drainage and circulation. So I recommend doing this once or twice a day. You can do it longer if you want, but once or twice a day, take your fingers, put a little bit of pressure and massage upwards towards your lymph nodes. This will help with puffiness, with inflammation, and will also help with the absorption of your skincare products. And lastly, number 6, consider adding some supplements to your routine. Supplements are great adjuncts to good skincare. They can help support the skin from the inside out. So there are some key supplements that I recommend taking daily, and that is a multivitamin, vitamin D and a probiotic. A multivitamin is great just to ensure that you are getting all the essential vitamins and minerals that you need. Vitamin D is great for overall health and immune support. And a probiotic is great for gut health. And research has shown that the health of your gut microbiome impacts the health of your skin. So adding a probiotic to your supplement regimen can really help improve your skin. So there you have it, 6 tips to help you get glowing skin this summer. Remember to protect your skin from the sun, stay hydrated, get enough sleep, use the right skincare products and facial massage, and consider adding some supplements to your routine. Hi, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye.